Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day, and it was on QUBT. Yeah, one of those quantum stocks. Man, it was quantum computing. It's been pretty outrageous lately, but let's take a look what happened. Right here at opening, it just started to take off, but then it started doing what we call a bull pullback. Three candles coming down. These are 1 minute candles, by the way. So if you want to know more about what a bull pullback is, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That's right, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and then up here, Chart School. Go to our free Chart School, and then these are the different trading patterns that we do here, right there. And we're going to look at a bull pullback or a pullback buy. And here's what it looks like. It comes up and it's starting to come back in a down leg here. If it starts to roll back up, we want to get in. There's a description of it, and then it also talks about the different components, how you can enter with that, and the predictability factors on that. And over here to the left are different live charts that show you when it happened and then what happened after that. Well, here and right here as well. And then down here is another one here right there. So there's lots there. Oh, down at the bottom here, there's even more examples. And these dark ones here are 1 minute candles from my previous day trading examples that I had before. So those are bull pullbacks. So let's get back to our example here on a QUBT. And I set my trade right there and I let the market come to me. Let's see what happened next. Boom, boom, boom. I got in at 1603 and I was moving my stop up here along this 8 EMA here as it was rising, and went up here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now it was high basing up here. Just started to do a little high base and started to pull back a little bit. So I pulled my stop up here just under the 17 even dollar amount, as well as just under the 8 EMA, and we're just waiting and see what happens next. And what happened? Oh, there's right there. It stopped me out. It stopped me out right there at $16.87 in 10 minutes for a total of, you ready for this? 5.2% in just 10 minutes. Now, if you're in our GrokGrad Day Trading Chatroom, our model portfolio is that we risk 1% per trade with a $10,000 lot size. So each 1% is worth about $100. So in this case, $520 in 10 minutes. Not all the trades are like that, believe me, but boy, wouldn't that be great? Hey, if you want to join us in the GrokGrad Day Trading Chat Room, you can. Just go to groktrade.com. That's groktrade.com. And right up here it says Day Trading Chat Room. And you can join us for free. In fact, we're going to open up. You can be with us all summer long if you want. Now, if you can be in front of the markets between 9 and 10:30 Eastern time. Of course, we have a lot of people from the West Coast who do it before their JOBs start. And here we go. You can read about what we do there, and you can just sign up right here and free of charge here. We'll make it all through the summer if you'd like to join us. That's right. So come and join us. I'm in the chat room most days coaching people on how to make the trades just like this one here. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that when a great fisherman catches a nice big fish, after they take the picture, what do? They cut off the head and they cut off the tail and only keep the meat. In trading, we're never going to get in at the bottom. We're never going to get in at the top. Don't worry about that. Just remember that we're just going to keep the meat of the trade. And on this trade, it was 5.2% or about $500. Woo, doggies. Trade well and may your winners run.